Alright, now just like price elasticity of demand falls in any of the 5 categories, price elasticity of supply also takes any of the 5 values. It could be ES could be equal to 0, right? Or it could be greater than 1, or it could be greater than 0 but less than 1, right? Or it could be exactly equal to 1, or it could be greater than 1 but less than infinity. This is your infinity symbol, less than infinity, or it could be equal to infinity, right? Notice that this time round, what is this symbol? Notice that this time round I have not put ES between two vertical bars because PED was always a negative number, therefore we were interested in absolute value only. ES is a positive number, so we don't need to put vertical bars here. We are not interested in its absolute value. It itself is a positive number, right? Okay, case number 1, when your ES is equals to 0. यानी कि your numerator is 0. If let's say, let me quickly write down. If let's say price increases by 10%, percentage change in quantity demanded is 0. Let's say price decreases by 5%, percentage change in quantity supplied is 0. I'm sorry, it's not demanded, it's supplied, right? This type of supply is known as perfectly inelastic. However large or however small the percentage change in prices, your quantity supplied is intact. It does not change, right? What are some examples of good which have a perfectly inelastic supply? अच्छा, those goods perfectly inelastic supply ये है that even if prices are increasing, I'm just not able to increase my quantity supplied, not even by 1 unit, right? Goods which are fixed in quantity, goods which are fixed in quantity, they have a perfectly inelastic supply, right? Let's take the example of a cricket stadium in which there are 60,000 seats. ठीक है, 7,000 seats हैं, 60,000 sorry, 60,000 seats. If prices of tickets increase, the owner, the management cannot increase the supply of seats, at least in the short run. This is an example of a perfectly inelastic supply, right? How will the graph for a perfectly inelastic supply curve look like? Just like the graph of perfectly inelastic demand curve, it will be a straight vertical line. However large or however small the percentage change in prices, your quantity supplied is intact at its position, right? फिर हमारे पास है ES between 0 and 1. When is a fraction between 0 and 1? Simple mathematics, when numerator is less than the denominator. यानी इस केस में वही वाली बात, let's say price is increasing by 10%, your quantity supplied will be increasing. Remember, both of them move in the same direction. Quantity supplied will be increasing by let's say 5%. If your price decreases by let's say 5%, your quantity supplied will be decreasing by less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5%, let's say 1%, right? This type of supply is known as relatively. You can relatively inelastic supply, right? You can simply call it inelastic supply as well, but I prefer adding the word relatively inelastic supply. What type of goods have relatively inelastic supply? Yani what type of suppliers are not very responsive to a price change? We have already seen the determinants of price elasticity of supply. So just fill this column on the basis of those determinants. What were those determinants? Number 1, perishable goods. They have an inelastic supply because they're not in the warehouse. If prices are increasing, you're not in a position to release them immediately in the market. The idea is that you have already sold them once you brought them in the market by fearing that they would decay, right? Perishable goods have a relatively inelastic supply. Goods with slow production speed, they have a relatively inelastic supply. We have already seen this, right? I'm not repeating again. I'm not repeating the entire story again. And if you're already operating at 100% capacity, right? Firms operating at high capacity, ठीक है, they have an inelastic supply. 100% capacity आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. Firms operating at 100% capacity have a perfectly inelastic supply. वो बढ़ा ही नहीं सकती. यहाँ पे आप लिखो firms operating at high capacity. They will have a relatively inelastic supply. What else? All goods in short run. ठीक है, short run आपका supply relatively inelastic ही होता है. And if factors of production are immobile, then your supply will be relatively inelastic. I'll tell you later how a relatively inelastic supply curve look like. Price elasticity of supply equal to 1. When is a fraction equal to 1? When numerator is same as the denominator. So let's say price is increasing by 15%. Your quantity supplied is also increasing by 15%. Let's say if your price is falling by 3%, your quantity supplied is also falling by 3%. This type of supply is known as unitary elastic. What type of goods have unitary elastic supply curve? No such example. It can happen anytime by chance. How does a unitary supply curve look like? Now this is interesting. Unitary supply curve जो है, a supply curve which originates from the origin like this, has a price elasticity of supply equal to 1. इस सप्लाई कर्व की प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई जो ओरिजिन से निकल रहा है, it has a PES equal to 1. Now you can prove it mathematically as well. I have proved here mathematically that supply curve which passes through the origin is unitary elastic, right? If you are interested, you can later pause this section of the video and take a look at how I have proved it, right? It's not a part of your course. If you're interested, you can take a look at it. I'm not discussing it here, right? Okay, then we have price elasticity of supply greater than 1, less than infinity. When is any fraction greater than 1 but less than infinity? When your numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's say if your price is increasing by 8%, your quantity supplied is increasing by maybe 15%, right? If your price is, let's say, decreasing by 6%, your quantity supplied is decreasing by how much? More than 6%, let's say 10%. This type of supply is known as relatively elastic supply, right? What type of goods have relatively elastic supply? Recall the determinants. Durable goods की elastic supply होती है because they're there in the warehouse. You can immediately release them in the market अगर prices बढ़ें, right? Goods with quick production speed have an elastic supply. Firms operating at low capacity because they are in the position to increase their production, right, significantly. If factors of production are mobile, can be transferred easily from the production of one good to the production of that good whose prices has increased. Long term में हर good की supply elastic होती है relative to short run, right? Okay, now how does a relatively inelastic supply curve look like and how does a relatively elastic supply curve look like? Right now I just want you to recall this graph. हमने already देखा है that steeper supply curve basically means suppliers are not in a position to respond significantly, right? So a relatively elastic supply curve would be steeper. Right? Like this, it would be steeper. And we've already seen कि अगर flat है supply curve, suppliers are more responsive. ठीक है, तो relatively, sorry, that मैंने this I'm supposed to draw here. In this case, suppliers are not very responsive, steeper, and in this case your supply curve will be flatter, right? Last case is where your ES is equals to infinity. Now this is a purely hypothetical concept. इसका मतलब सिर्फ ये है that a tiniest possible increase in price, maybe by 0.0001%, quantity supplied increases by an infinite amount, and a tiniest possible decrease in price, quantity supplied reduces to zero, right? I'm not discussing this. You may a tiniest possible increase in price. ठीक है, this is a purely hypothetical concept. ये आपका खिलाता है perfectly elastic supply, right? There is no such example, there is no such market structure. You just need to remember that how does a perfectly elastic supply curve look like? It's a straight horizontal line, right? That's it.